the Kutztown team traveled to Eagle Metals in Leesport to learn more about their metal manufacturing.
What you'd like to see is basic life skills to begin with. People that come to work on time and they're interested or excited about what they want to do, and they present ideas how to make the place better.
Skills to be successful in my role here would probably be math skills, being able to interact with other people, working hard, and learning as much as you can. Being able to add, subtract, do fractions, decimals, percentages, like we do with chemistry also, which our metal is made up of all different kinds of chemistry. It's nice to know that also.
When I first got here, it was hands-on deck training. I was actually working with a guy who had a lot of experience with driver's lining. He taught me step by step, showed me first, and then little by little, I was hands-on helping him so I can run it myself.
The machine I run is called a slitter. It slits metal, it changes the width. You can take a wide coil and slit it into many thinner coils of different width.
I've been working here about 32 and a half years. I run the 4-high. Actually, the 4-high was the very first machine in this building. And it can do capabilities other machines here can't do.
Working in a factory where I'm not rushed, I can work at my pace, I just got to get my job done.
My main purpose is solving problems. So my job is to facilitate that everybody in the place has what they need, whether it's their information they need, or materials, or equipment, facilities. That's my primary job.
I love the fact that I've learned what we manufacture goes into everything all around us. That our metal goes into fuses that are in our cars. It goes into medical field, into needles. It goes into pens. It's just amazing.
The reason people should be interested in manufacturing is it's an important job. There's always going to be jobs about this with manufacturing, and it's just a lot of hands-on, and there's stuff to learn. It's a cool trade.
Manufacturing is always going to be around, always going to need people. Like myself.
What drives me is to have a first-class company with first-class people making a first-class product and making our customers happy.